You don't expect people to address you as ma'am or address you as madam always, di ba? Pag may blacks on ang tao,
Babae na.
babae na.
And just like that, we are in the middle of our season 19. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching The Kitty Show, Tariana Talakin Showbiz Edition. At Mare, before we even talk about the trans woman, woman of the hour, Emmy Ruth, ilang muna ang ating organic subscribers?
Well, we now have 14,000.
Tawa ha? Tawa-tawa.
705.
Hindi ka talaga?
Ay, ganun! Charot! 14,705 plus subscribers.
Organic. Yan po ang
Kaloka.
sisigaw namin. Mabuhay si Cadento! Mabuhay ang uring manggagawa. Organic po ang aming mga subscribers. Ito na nga. Because we are not even sure how could I react to this na hindi ako mababintangan ako'y napaka-politically incorrect. At lalabas ang mga pagiging...
Why are we even
Ako ibabarat lang ang transphobic.
Okay.
Pag-uusapan po namin ngayon ang social media post ng aktres na si Iamina. Nagkakataran po ito sa kanyang Facebook post kasi nga po, merong isang pangyayari sa kanyang buhay. At ano nga ba ang pangyayaring ito, Mare?
I need to recall that pangyayari?
We can recall the pangyayari because this incident never happens to you.
Oo nga.
Oh.
Oo.
Diba?
Diba?
So what is this trying to say?
Kasi, sa Facebook nagpost si Iamina
Yes.
na nag-drive-thru siya sa isang coffee shop.
Yes.
Popular coffee brand.
Super popular coffee
Ngayon, tinawag siya ng sir.
shop. Sir.
So, parang nairita siya kasi itsura nga daw niya. Tapos tawagin mo akong sir.
Oh, parang naka-blush on pa
Oo,
siya.
naka-blast on siya.
Tapos ang ganda naman niya sa picture.
Oo, tapos
Muret
sir.
na muret.
Oo.
Diba?
Ganon.
Tapos
Yung
sir
parang-
siyang tinawag.
Sir siya tinawag.
Mm.
I don't know kung kinorek niya, sinabi niyang ma'am, pero sir pa rin daw ang tinawag sa kanya. Parang she did emphasize the correct pronoun for her.
Okay.
Dapat
dapat she.
ma'am, madam.
Dapat correct.
Ang correct pronoun is
oo.
she, di ba?
Oo.
Oh.
Parang correct term for kanya is miss or madam.
Oo.
Mm. So ang question
Or
ko,
ma'am.
question ko siya, you're not a trans woman
Yeah.
and you don't identify yourself as a transgender. You're a gay guy who likes to dress up as a woman and at the same time exude so much feminine energies.
Mm.
So, bakit ikaw hindi binabastos at tinatawag ng sir? May kwento ka pa nga sa akin minsan, ang tawag sa'yo, nanay, pinapaupo ka sa MRT or sa
Yeah.
LRT. So, bakit ang kagaya ni Iamina nakakatikim ng ganitong treatment? I just want to, kasi ikaw, pareho tayong gay, pareho tayong nagko-cross-dress. So, bakit tayo? We do not get that.
Alam mo
From your
kasi,
personal experience.
alam mo kasi, around this time, people are so entitled.
Mm-hmm.
Meaning, if they want to be called like this,
Mm-hmm.
you are bound to obey.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba? Parang, you're not requesting.
Mm-hmm.
You are commanding
You are commanding, you are demanding.
people to address you as Miss,
or
Ma'am,
ma'am, or-
Madam.
Okay.
Di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Which should not be the case. Ako kasi,
From
I
your
was never,
experience,
wala
You
naman
never
ganon.
demanded or
I
asked for
never
it.
demanded. Kaya mapagkamala akong lola, kaya mapagkamala akong nanay, kaya mapagkamala akong girl. Di ba? It doesn't bother me.
Mm-hmm.
Because I am secure.
Buo ka.
Oo. I know what I know what to expect from
You know who
people.
you are
Oo,
from
tsaka,
head to toe.
I know what to expect from people. You don't expect people to address you as ma'am or address you as madam always, di ba? There are times, kaya nga, ako naman, lagi ko naman sinasabi, sabi niya, ba't hindi ka nang palagay ng boobs, chuchu, para mas lalo kang pagkamalang babae. Alam mo, lagi ko sagot, it will only take 1 minute. Pagkatapos nun, wala na. Ano ka ba? Di ba parang, ako ganun eh. Diyos ko, it doesn't bother me anymore. What's important is that I live the way I live. I'm happy. And life goes on. Ganun lang.
We are not taking it against the likes of Iamina to request that they be called as she or her or madam or miss. But still, ang sa akin rin, from my personal experience, just like my friend, we do not impose for you to call me. Sa akin yan, hindi issue na tuwal mo kung she or her. Ang issue lang talaga sa akin, kagawagin mo kung tito, lalo na kung hindi kita kamag-anak. Pero if you call me kuya, pare, whatsoever, it doesn't bother me. Ako rin, bakit ba sila bothered, Alex? Na hindi laging parang, for all they're trying to exude, for all they're trying being identifying as trans woman, bakit sila bothered na pinamumukha laki sa kanila yung dati nilang gender?
One, because entitlement is empowerment.
Okay.
They feel empowered kapag yung entitlement nila na-achieve nila. Di ba? Number 2, parang ano yun eh, parang music to their ears.
Okay.
Pagka tinawag silang, ma'am, madam, miss, ganon. Di ba? Number 3, meron kasing dati naman hindi naman ganyan ng mga Becky's, di ba? Ngayon kasi sa dinami-dami ng ng gendering ng mga
try to be labeled correctly.
Diba? Kasi di ba ang parang niya, parang she was misgendered kasi by being called sir, parang she was misgendered.
And that's offensive for her.
Sa ngayon, sa
kalakaran ngayon.
Oo, naging naging parang tradition o parang parang it's a popular belief na pag naka-dress ako, very effeminate ako, I should be addressed as miss, madam, ma'am, ganon. Ganon na naging thinking. Diyan, don't you realize, excuse me, na whatever you are, people will still see you as a man. Kahit na, mabuti kung kasing ganda ka ni, sino yung magandang bakla?
Francine.
Francine. O kaya, yung sumali sa dati.
Si
Kevin, di ba? Yung mga ganon. Na walang
so parang sinasabi mo, hindi ganun kaganda si Iamina?
Frankly, yes.
Okay.
Di ba? Pangalawa, tawag dito, hindi naman siya totally Anong kinalaman ng blush on? Pag nag-blush on ka, effeminate ka na, super ganda ka na, ganun ka na. Oo. Di ba? Yun bang, parang you were indirectly telling people na pag may blush on ang tao, babae na. Di ba? Okay. That's the, that's the, tawag dito, yun ang psyche na inaano mo na pinapalabas mo, di ba?
Okay. Ang sa akin, karapatan naman niya magtatarang. Dahil pahina naman niya yun.
Yeah.
And I think she also said, after that post, is that walang karapatang, kumbaga, tanggap niya yung panghusga, pandadaot sa kanya. But she felt that she had to say what she needed to say because siya yung naka-experience. And for all the rest of the negative things being thrown at her, she does not care. So, ang sa akin lang, sana, dumating yung panahon na talagang...
It's not true that she doesn't care.
Kasi she posted it.
Ang tawag dito, anong she doesn't care? Sumagot nga siya, di ba? Nag-arya nga siya na ang dami ng dadaot. Saka ang dami parang, I'm not affected. No. You cannot say that you're not affected. You are affected. Ano ka ba?
You're affected simply because you posted it. And then, there were instances that you were engaging the people who were trying to lambast you.
Yeah. Ang tawag dun kasi, some people, sorry ha, parang ano parang naging ilusyon na nila yun.
So, anong dapat gawin ng Iya Mina and the rest of the trans woman na talagang tingin ng tao, hindi pa rin yung woman, para makuha nila yung respect na hinahanap-hanap talaga nila?
Dapat yung mga ganyan hindi na ipinopost.
Mhm.
Kasi it divides people.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Very divisive act yung ganyan.
Mhm.
Kita mo nag-aaway-away, nagtatalo-talo yung mga tao, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Kasi ang ano ko diyan is sana in-address mo na lang dun sa ano kung sino man tumawag sa and
Mhm.
leave it there. Kasi it was not a bad experience at all. To be called a sir when you are really a sir is not a bad ano at all. Eh, ang feeling mo kasi girl na girl ka na. O hindi ko alam kung nagpa-opera na ba siya?
I have
Or,
no idea.
I have no idea, di ba? Or whatever it is. Kasi, you don't slam into anyone's throat na, ano, mga tawag mo sa akin. No, 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 no. Begets respect.
Respect begets respect.
Respect begets respect.
But ako, I
diba?
get where she's coming from simply because that's her page. She can write anything about it.
Oo.
Anything there. Kasi pahinan niya yun eh.
Oo nga, pero,
So, we have to give that to her.
pero kasi, di, dapat open ka sa reaction.
Open naman siya sa reaction.
Diba?
She never deleted all the people who were trying to lambast her. Hindi niya ginawang private ang kanyang account. Diba?
Ayun ang anong, yun ang ano kasi niya, parang pinalaki niya yung isang simpleng bagay.
Siguro sa iyo, simple, pero sa kanya, hindi. At lalong-lalong hindi, simple. Para kay Norma Dayag, ang ating unang letter sender. Good PM. Bakit paminsan-minsan kulang kayo napapanood mag-vlog? Gustong-gusto ko pa naman kayong dalawa kasi you are legit vloggers of Kim Pao. Mare, ano makasabi mo kung parang ang gusto niyang mangyari is para maging araw-araw na Underkitty Show? Kaya ba ng katawang lupa natin?
Nako, inubo na nga ako, no? Oh my God! Tawag dito, it's okay, di ba? Pero kasi, wala namang vlogger na everyday.
Everyday may show.
Ano to, newscast na? Ang dating, di ba? Parang newscast na tayo.
O basahin mo ang ating panibagong troll.
Ay, sino to? I don't know if it's his real name,
Basta bago yung troll because I checked the account. Walang subscriber.
Rob Castillo. Wala namang nanonood dito kasi nga mga bully ng GMA Kapuso artist. Re-report ko sa mga pulis, mga bully.
Okay. Si Rob po, hindi namin kakilala, kaya hindi namin papatulan. Ang maganda rito, isa sa mga Kim Pao fan na regular follower natin, si Alice Lopez, pinagtanggol tayo. Basa, Mara, anong reaksyon ni Alice? Bago ka mag-react kung gusto mo mag-react kay Rob.
Yeah, saang banda po sila naging bully? Yung po bang pagiging totoo at prangka ay matatawag ng mga bully? I don't think so. Nagpapakatotoo lang po sila at di pa showbiz si Madam Alvin at Madam Ultra Maldita.
Okay. What say you? Ako, first of all, Alice, thank you very much for making tanggol sa iyong mga madam. Gusto ko yun, ha? Hindi natin hiniling. Kusang binigay. Yeah. Sa inyong mga madam. And tungkol doon mga kay Rob, ay, maraming salamat sa effort na kung sino mo na nagbayad sa'yo para i-troll kami. Ako takang-taka ko talaga. Ang subscribers po namin, wala pang 20,000. Pero may mga trolls tayo, ha? Every week na malalagdagan. So, what are you trying to say to us? You so love us, you so hate us, or you're really making us more popular?
Ako, I would believe, kung nag-show ng proof na may binuli tayong GMA Kapuso artist. Diba? If telling the truth is bullying, we will never be guilty. Kasi we're just telling the truth.
Yes, and the truth hurts.
Oo. If giving an opinion against a Kapuso artist is bullying, is still, we're not guilty of that. We're just giving an opinion, di ba? And this is the most important. We don't bully people we don't know. Hello.
Okay. At ito na si Jeffy, na ang nickname ay parang katulog ng Kifi. I love the topic. He was pertaining to our topic about Martin Del Rosario and Tony Labrusca na pinagsabong natin. Tuwang-tuwa si Jeffy. Nung nakita ko yung picture niya, alam na kung bakit siya tuwang-tuwa.
Ay, bakit?
Basahin mo na lang si Gigi.
JJ Watcher, hindi na kaya ng I Want yung live stream kasi nag-crash daw sa sobrang dami ang bumili ng
Live stream
at nadagdagan ng ibang countries at syempre maraming foreigner din ang bumili ng live stream pati different reactors kaya marami talagang na-disappoint.
Yun yung nangyari yung nag-crash yung live streaming ng SB19 Fast Zone. But alam ko, tung weekend na to, mapapalood sa replay yung buong show. Ewan ko na kung marami pa rin magnonood o kung magka-crash muli dahil nga sila yung mga taong hindi nakapanood. And on that note, this is Alan Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss May Kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Of course, this is the Saturday edition of the TT Show. Toriana Talakayan Showbiz Edition.